Hey everyone, I'm here today to talk about something that has the power to completely transform your life: self-love. Yes, it's that crucial. And if you've clicked on this video, you're probably on the verge of making some big positive changes in your life. So let's dive in. Self-love isn't just about treating yourself to a spa day or indulging in your favorite ice cream. It's about deeply accepting who you are, faults and all, and giving yourself the compassion that you often reserve for others. It's about setting boundaries and having the courage to say no to things that don't serve you. Now, why is self-love essential? Because it's the foundation of everything in your life. How you feel about yourself affects how you interact with the world, how you handle stress, and how you make choices every single day. When you truly love and accept yourself, you unlock a powerful force within that can achieve incredible things. But here's the kicker. Cultivating self-love is not a switch that you flip. It's a journey, often a challenging one. It demands consistent effort and sometimes a little guidance. That's why I'm super excited to introduce a workshop that's designed to help you navigate this journey. It's called Transform Your Life with Self-Love. This workshop isn't just another lecture series, it's an interactive experience where you'll learn practical strategies to foster self-love, overcome your limiting beliefs, and start living a life that truly reflects your worth. We'll explore techniques to help you connect with your inner self, develop a positive mindset, and build resilience. Whether you're struggling with self-doubt, searching for your life's purpose, or just looking to enhance your self-esteem, this workshop is for you. It's about taking that first step towards a deeper, more meaningful relationship with yourself. Imagine a life where you're not held back by fear or self-doubt, where you make decisions that align with your deepest values and aspirations. That's the power of self-love, and it's within your reach. So are you ready to start this transformative journey? To love yourself fully and unconditionally? Join the workshop and let's make it happen together. Because remember, the most important relationship you will ever have is the one you have with yourself. Let's nurture it, let's strengthen it. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you at the workshop. Let's transform together.